Hello, this is Megan with AFRIGINUS. If you are new or returning to this channel, we welcome you to our channel. And now, let's take our journey to style. Adult style, that is. Yes, I'm talking about the style of the Dashiki, which I'm sure many of you know about. But we'll go into a little bit more detail today. So on this journey, you're going to learn the brief history of the Dashiki, the fabrics these are made from, the events they are used for, how the different ones are cleaned, as well as how to find them on our website. So let's start with the brief history of the Dashiki. Its roots began in Yoruba culture in West Africa, back to the 12th and 13th centuries when they were worn as tunics with no sleeves. There were certain colors that were worn for different events, such as white, purple, or blue were worn for weddings, and gray or black was used for funerals. And then there was the emergence of it in the Western world. In the late 1960s, it was worn during the Civil Rights Movement, as well as for Black Pride and the white countercultural movement. And then when the 1964 Civil Rights Act was passed, it became more of an Afrocentric clothing celebration of the African culture. But now in the present day, women are at the forefront of the Dashiki presence, where in the past, men were. There's a loose-fitting style still available of all the different Dashikis. And there are many different styles as well, such as the t-shirt, which is what you can see here, sweatshirts, and the kaftans, which are long flowing gowns down to somebody's ankle. But what are they made from? Well, let's start with the familiar fabric, the kitenji or Ankara fabric, which is a wax print like this lady is wearing, can be seen anywhere in the world, and is used for everyday casual use. And then there's the silk or lace brocade, which comes with the detailed embroidery, as you can see in these pictures right here, and it is used for high-end formal dress shirts. And last but not least, there is cotton, such as these two pictures right here. And as you can see, with this beautiful dashiki behind me. They come in many different prints, and they have the detailed embroidery as you see in this, or they can come without embroidery, such as these two items right here. But now you may be asking yourselves, how do I clean them? Well, for the cotton and kitenji fabric, you're going to machine wash them cold, tumble dry them on low, and add salt to preserve their color. But with the silk and lace brocade, you can only hand wash and air dry. Maybe asking yourselves now, how do I find these beautiful items on your website? Well, you can go to AFRIGINUS.com, type in that address, then you can go to apparel, and then you can hit the Dashikis. Then you can get to our two beautiful Dashiki outfits, with more to come in the future. If you're looking to find us on any of our social media platforms, see the description below. We are on Instagram, Tumblr, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And we will see you next episode.